Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should start by signing into your Google account and opening Meet. That gives you access to your scheduled events and controls. Once signed in, make sure the browser or app has camera and microphone permissions enabled so devices are usable. Open the calendar invite or paste the meeting link now and run a quick test call to verify audio and video work. This prevents interruptions later and confirms you can join as host or participant without wasting meeting time. When you join, select the correct camera and mic and click Join so your AV is live for others. Joining with the right device avoids rejoining mid-meeting. Once inside, use host controls to admit guests, mute noisy participants, and restrict chat or screen sharing if needed to maintain order. To present, click Present Now and pick a window or tab. Choose captions or a tiled layout to improve comprehension for everyone and reduce cognitive load during the presentation. To finish, stop presenting, end the meeting for all or leave and let others continue, then save or share the recording and any attendance reports so participants have a record. Afterward, send a concise follow-up with key decisions, action items, and links to the recording or files. If something goes wrong, like no audio, immediately check browser or app permissions, try toggling mic/camera, reload Meet, or join by phone as a fallback. That usually resolves most connectivity and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.